Are you interested to learn Linux and be a successful Linux administrator? Then this course is rightly there for you. So get started with this course and then you will never look back and you will be reaching out the heights within the landscape of different IT technologies. I have designed this course very carefully considering every perspective, like be a simple engineering students or professionals who want to switch towards Linux administration. So this Udemy course is available there, and I have already given 50% discount. You just simply need to write an email to me and you will get 50% discount coupon from me. So don't wait, just go ahead, buy this course and write to me and get started with the journey of exciting Linux administrator. So welcome to Cloud 365. My name is Pankaj Kumar. I have around 20 years of IT experience where I have worked on various IT domains and have served on Linux platforms, networking and cybersecurity domains and platform infrastructure security. And I'll be taking you through about this excited course that I have designed on Udemy. And I have covered very deep dived topics, which are starting from the basics of open systems, then the basics of Linux, then getting started how Linux boots up, what are the core directory structures within Linux operating system, and then taking next leap as how administrator has to start with their day-to-day activities and what are the things or what are the technology components that a Linux administrator should know when he or she is supporting enterprise applications. So this course will give you a deep dive and also hands-on practice on learning that how Linux administrator should react and work on complex or simple application landscapes. This course I have designed keeping in mind every category of students and professionals, like be it like a student who's still pursuing his engineering or a professional who want to switch his technology. So this course serve this purpose in one go. So I recommend all of you just go there, sign up to Udemy and buy this Linux administrator course. I already have students there and I have received really nice overview. So just write to me on study@cloud365.com and then I'll be giving you 50% discount as well on this course. So I look forward to see this nice journey and I'll be driving you through this. Thank you very much and see you soon there.